Hello guys, my name is Sakwade. This video I'll show you how to log in to your Gmail accounts using Google Authenticator. Enable as your two-factor authentication. So to start, click on any browser of your choice on your computer. Then in the address bar, type gmail.com. Then sign in by clicking on sign in. Then enter your Gmail username and password. I click on next, enter the password. Click next. This will prompt you to verify your account if you have enabled two-step verification with your phone. So on my phone, this is my phone. Verify. And click yes to verify my account. By here, we will use Google Authenticator app that we have linked to our Gmail account. So to try that, click on try another way. Then it will prompt you to use Google Authenticator app as your two-step verification to access your Gmail accounts. So I click on it. It will prompt me to enter the verification code. So here, to use Google Authenticator as your two-step verification app, first you need to install Google Authenticator on your phone from Play Store or App Store. The installation, you can link your Gmail account. So I click on my phone. There's my phone. Then I click on Google Authenticator app. From the window and copy the short code from the app onto my verification tab. That's the short code is 529251. And I click on next. This will verify my accounts using Google Authenticator as my verification code to log in to my Gmail accounts. This is my Gmail web portal. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon to receive an update. And for more information on how you can install Google Authenticator and use it to log into your Gmail account, under the description, click on link to the post. You'll find more information on our website. Thank you.